Hello, welcome, and thanks for joining us live on Projan Media TV wherever you are. And where you're tuning in from, we are very grateful. But kindly consider subscribing and turning on the notification button for more of these updates. NTV's Faridah Nakazibwe overwhelmed by Kenya Matatu taxi with posters of her photos praising her, and that made her become so touched and felt so sweet that it's not only in Uganda that she is loved, but also in other East African countries she is also being loved. And she is really loved because she is one of the kind people with a real good personalities, and there is no doubt that Uganda's NTV Mwasuze Mutya show host and Luganda news anchor Faridah Nakazibwe is among the most loved in media personalities in the country. So therefore her love is not only in Uganda, but it has extended in other parts of East Africa where there is Kenya. The taxi has come and posted her photo of Faridah Nakazibwe on their matatu. Well, once again, thanks for joining us live on Projan Media TV. Let's take more look into some of these details. There is no doubt that NTV Uganda's Mwasuze Mutya show host and Luganda news anchor Faridah Nakazibwe is among the most loved media personalities in the country. And her calmness and her polite personality has accepted a big number of fans to her. And according to the developments, Nakazibwe's fan base has now extended to other East African countries where there is Kenya. With our evidence that the matatu behind it has her peak, that means her fan has extended up to Kenya, not only in the country Uganda, but also it's going to other parts of East Africa. So photos that has her are going on viral on social media, showing a Kenyan Matatu with posters of the NTV news anchor, and the excited lady Nakazibwe reposted the photo showing appreciation for the love from Kenya. And who couldn't do that? Anyone else would do that, of course. When you're being loved, when people appreciate you, you should appreciate back and show them back love. So that is what happened to Faridah Nakazibwe. She was really so excited and appreciated what she had seen. A Kenyan Matatu by the registration number KBH 039U. That was the Kenyan Matatu. Posted her pic, and anyone could choose. Others could choose people of their own fans on their basis. Like others choose teams like Arsenal, Liverpool. Others choose their own words. Others even choose presidents, former presidents. Anyone can choose to put Obama. But here, this fan has come to put the picture of Faridah Nakazibwe. So she felt so overwhelmed and she felt so touched. And she is one of the personalities, people who have good personalities, people who respect themselves, people who are polite and calm. So her kindness is paying her back by showing her a lot of much love from her fans. Well, that is it from now. Thanks for watching Projan Media TV. We'll keep on updating with more of this, but kindly do one thing: subscribe and turn the notification button. All these updates will come to you on time. Once again, thanks for watching Projan Media TV. We love you so much.